Hello everyone, so welcome to this session where we'll be learning to use the transparent and then shiny objects. Okay, so we're going to capture pictures of shiny and then transparent objects just so we see the results. Okay, so you can see I'm taking picture of it and of this particular transparent object, and then I'm getting some errors. Okay, in previous lessons we learned that photogrammetry doesn't perform well with that's transparent and then shiny object or shiny surfaces. So if the object has lots of texture, okay, textured surfaces are very good for like photogrammetry projects. Okay. Yeah, so you can see how the warnings I'm getting. You can proceed, but the outcome will still be bad. So I think I'm going to try this several times because it needs you to take a minimum of 12 photos. Okay. So you can skip parts of the video just to know what you want to. Yeah, so there's five. So you can see the notice captured image does not have enough features. Okay. Okay, so here you can decide to rename your project and then select the ones you don't like, the images you don't like, then just accept, and then it gets uploaded to the data, the cloud, and then the um, computation is being done to render your model. Okay, so it's going to take a while, depending on the complexity of your project. Then I'm going to scan a new project. That this time around, we are going to use a shiny surface. So this shiny surface, yeah, you can see a lot of lights being bounced off the surface, which isn't good. It makes it reading. Let's use reading the surface or capturing the surface to deform. Normally, you when you have faces that look very shiny, you can see when the model is rendered, it becomes some way. It looks like fluid or plastic or it's melting. Yeah, so you might encounter some of these errors. And human beings, we are very smart. There are ways around getting these things, but I haven't tried that out yet. So if any of you come up with any solution to working with shiny and then transparent objects, I'll be glad that you share them. Okay. Okay, so this are 12 image. I think I'm going for more than 12. Okay, so I'm doing what to capture various surfaces, so from top side, the likes. Okay. Once I like the number or I'm sure certain of the surfaces being captured, I can see this also giving me error. I'll just upload it or accept it, and then it's been uploaded. Ignore. Okay, so I started from the origin and I'm going to end at the origin. So where I started taking the picture, I'll start from there and then end at that particular point. So once that is done, I'm going to accept. You can give it a name, check out the ones you don't want, and then you would upload. Click on upload. So I have 21 images at 13 megabytes. Yeah, shiny surface. Then I can upload it. Okay, so let's see our outcome. So yeah, I'll go to library and then let's see. So it's processing, and then okay, so let's click on our objects or our projects, and then let's look at the outcome. So it's loading, and then yeah, so you can see it looks plastic. It looks like it's molten or some plastic material that has been heated or subjected to heat. So which is why shiny objects are favorable, like good objects to use for photogrammetry. And then let's try that of the glass or transparent objects. So it's loading, and then you can see yeah, the table, the let's say table is or the yeah, the table is showing, but the glass looks transparent. We can see the outline, but only the cork or the top part is what we have. Okay, so this is why I don't use transparent objects. Thank you.